Hey, Jay from Jay's Tech and Tips back with another video. So what I'm doing in this series is I'm going to be uploading videos trying to see how improve my editing in CapCut. I broke down and went ahead and purchased the CapCut Pro so that I can able to do some effects and different things with my videos, try to spicing up my videos because I know that my videos aren't the best quality, so I'm trying to improve those. So I recently had a camera. Let me get this camera. Oh, can't see it. Right back there. It's still plugged in. Sony A5000. I use that camera for streaming and I also tried to use it for my talking head videos, but it didn't come out that well. They didn't come out well at all. So I'm taking that down. I'm going to sell it. It's time to get rid of it. I thought it was a good deal at one time. For streaming, it's okay. I got my digging through some boxes as I usually do. Keep everything. I was digging through some boxes and I found my old Logitech C920. That was my first camera. It's still an excellent camera. So I decided I'd just use that for my streaming, and I was going to try to use it for talking head videos also. But doing my research and looking around, I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And this phone, as you can tell by the quality on this, is excellent. And why would I need to use a webcam for my talking head videos, and as opposed to using the phone that I have right here, which has an excellent camera, by the way, on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make this video and I'm going to try it. I hope you saw throughout. So when in post, I want to be able to add effects and different things, like right there where I went. I want to be able to add some effects because I saw that I can take the ums out of my, I think they're filler words, or I can take those out in post-production. I've never been very good at post-production. The only time that I really did a lot of editing is back in my Apple days. I had an iMac and I used the Apple software for my, I forgot what it's called. What is it? Whatever it is. I used that software and I got kind of familiar with that. But since then, I've been on a Windows computer and I haven't really checked out any editing. Now I do have CapCut on my phone and also the desktop version, and I'm really enjoying that. So hopefully in this video that I'm recording right now, you can see some of the edits that I've made and some of the things that I'm going to try to do to have it zoom out and come at you. The zoom, I really like the zoom feature. So I'm going to try to use that because I see that in a lot of videos. And the captions, I'm going to try to get some captions in my videos to just spice them up a little bit. So this video is just a little tester, just a little teaser of what's to come on the channel, Jay's Tech Tip and Gaming. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know it's something that I can improve. I tried to set this up for the background because that was my main issue. I have my gaming set up this way and the background is just a window. So I didn't have a proper background. So I turned off all of my lights, my key light and my other two lights in the background. And I'm going to work on maybe having something else on my screens or get a colored LED bulb behind me or something like that when I do these videos. But hey guys, thanks a lot. If you found this video informative or if you liked it, give a subscribe to the channel, come back for more information, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.